Auxiliary Extruder Replacement Guide for the X2D. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Press the PTFE coupler on the auxiliary extruder to remove the PTFE tube inlet side. Use the 8mm wrench to loosen the outlet side's PTFE coupler. Gently push upwards to unlock the auxiliary extruder from the printer. Remove the outlet side PTFE tube. Remove the connector cover on the auxiliary extruder. Press the connector plug locking tab to disconnect the cable. Use an Allen wrench to push the extruder out of the housing through the hole as shown. Then remove the housing. Use a 1.5mm Allen wrench to remove 7 mounting screws and take off the auxiliary extruder upper cover. Use a 2mm Allen wrench to remove 1 mounting screw. Remove the auxiliary extruder driven gear, drive gear, spring, and pressure plate. If replacing a damaged PTFE pneumatic connector, loosen the motor connector cable from the locking tab. Use the 1.5mm Allen wrench to remove 2 mounting screws, and remove the tube connector accessory. Install the auxiliary extruder drive gear and driven gear respectively. Install the pressure plate and spring together as shown. Tighten the mounting screw with the 2mm Allen wrench. Install the PTFE pneumatic connector onto the motor connector. Reinstall the 2 screws with a 1.5mm Allen wrench and organize the cables. Install the auxiliary extruder upper cover onto the auxiliary extruder and tighten the 7 screws with the 1.5mm Allen wrench. Slide the assembly into the housing as shown. Connect the cable to the auxiliary extruder, ensuring the locking tab direction is correct. Replace the connector cover. Align the extruder into its slots and push down to lock it in place. Replace the outlet PTFE tube by inserting it all the way into the extruder and tighten the coupler. Insert the PTFE tube into the auxiliary extruder filament inlet.